Hi guys, this is Isaac from IWM. I hope you're having, as always, a fantastic day or evening or morning, whatever you are in the world. Today we want to talk about musical expressions when creating your song in your production. So let's stick around. Okay, so we have a project here and we want to create something emotional with a sound. And I'm going to show you one way of really tweaking a sample-based instrument to get this nice warm feeling. And most of all, the difference that that makes to the listener, which is you. So we have two identical instruments here, which is a string instrument, string orchestra. And the first one, I'm gonna play with as much velocity, power as possible. So we'll try that and see where that's gonna lead us. Okay, so now we used a lot of velocity, as you can see here, almost all the way up. Okay, and the velocity in this case is really important because it shows us what sample you have used on your instrument. So the further up, the heavier and the more loud instrumental samples have been used. It's not necessarily going to be the volume in the end because we're going to adjust the volume. But this determines what sample you have used. Okay, so we're going to record another one with as low velocity as possible. Okay, I did not play exactly the same, but that really doesn't matter in this case. So what we're going to do now is to listen to the both recordings, and I'm going to adjust the volumes so that the volumes is roughly the same. And I want you to feel the difference in choosing different kinds of samples in these instruments. Okay. So the first one. Second one. First one. Second one. And the first one again. And one last time on the second one. So it's nothing wrong with using the velocity curves all the way up and using the heavy, most intense samples, because there's absolutely room for that as well. But did you feel the difference in choosing different samples? One of them, in my opinion, is very, very, very soothing. It's very much warmer, and it really brings a lot of harmonics from the environment that these instruments have been recorded in into the recording, into your recording as well. And the heavy one is more like intense. It has another feel, a harder feel, and be sure to know when and where to use these different types of elements and these different types of velocity changes and samples in this case. So let's wrap it up. Feel is everything when creating music, and if it feels good and if it feels something, then it is good. It doesn't have to be a good feeling, it doesn't have to be a warm, nice feeling all the time, but you want people to feel something. Okay? Do you agree? If you don't, please put it in the comments, and we'll talk about it, because music is free, music is for everybody. So as long as you feel something, I'm happy. Okay, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.